Hey guys, this is Mr. Evans, obviously, and this is your close reading assignment for There Will Come Soft Rains by Sarah Teasdale. You are not doing the bottom poem in a restaurant, so just ignore that. Maybe you guys might notice that There Will Come Soft Rains was also a short story by Ray Bradbury. He borrowed the title, included a lot of the same themes. Anyhow, we'll get to the point, the assignment. So how you're going to mark up the poem is as follows. I'm just going to cross this out because I don't want you guys to deal with that. The first thing that I'm going to want you to look for is alliteration, which is the repetition of a consonant sound, usually at the beginning of a word. So if I were looking through the poem, I would identify soft smell because they both start with that S sound, right? Soft smell. All right. Second thing I'm going to look for is assonance, which is where you repeat a vowel sound. It could also be rhyming. So what I'm going to see here is that I've got ground and sound. So that's my example of assonance. Okay, so that's the easy part, right? You look for assonance and alliteration, and you've labeled those throughout the poem. The difficult part is that I want you to make 3 inferences in the notes section of your poem. All right. Now, when I talk about inferences, all I mean is you got to take the clues from the poem and try to make some guesses as to what you think this poem might be about. All right. So I'm going to give you one. If I say there will come soft rains and the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound. Okay. An inference I might make. And again, you're writing this in the notes section. The author is interested in nature. And that's what I would put down in the bottom of my page there. And I'm taking that from the fact that she starts right off the poem with nature imagery, and the title of the poem is about rain. I put those dots together and I say, okay, maybe she's interested in nature. So you're doing 3 of those. These are educated guesses based on clues in the poem. You cannot use mine, okay? You cannot borrow mine, say the author's interested in nature. You got to come up with your own. The whole point of reading poems and discussing poems is that, and the cool part about discussing them is that there can be more than one answer, okay? And if we're all coming up with the same answer, the assignment's going to be boring and poetry is going to be boring. So what I'm going to expect for you tomorrow is to be ready to share something unique about the poem that you pulled from it that nobody else pulled from it. Okay? So just to be clear, let's just run through the assignment one more time. First step, you're looking for your examples of alliteration. Second step, you're looking for your examples of assonance. And third step is you're going to come up with 3 inferences, which means educated guesses basically, in the notes section of your poem. You will be sharing these tomorrow. I will expect you guys to have something to say about the poem that's your own and that you can defend. Okay? Good luck. Don't get frustrated. Take some time to get through the poem. Hear what you have to say tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.